is now 3:48 a.m. And as usual, nandito na naman tayo sa favorite place natin, Clark International Airport. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa Hong Kong. At mag-isa na naman ako. Hindi charot. Look, the kids are with me. Say hi.
Hello. Hi.
First international flight ni Brie. So, tara. Alam nyo, teka, bago tayo mag-check-in, iwi muna natin itong luggage natin. Dahil sa kakuriputan ko, isang 20 kilograms lang kinuha ko. Oh, that's good. 16.9 kilos. So, we won't have problems. Teka lang. Can you help me with this?
Okay.
Yan. Okay, mag-self-check-in tayo. Para mag-bag drop na lang. And print baggage tag. Ayan. All of you are there, right? Okay, next. Check in. Scan your passport. Photo facing down. Ayan, para matuto yung kids and then next time they'll travel on their own.
Can you see? No, that's not mine.
Sige.
Well, no, it's
Yeah, like
not
that.
yours first.
Don't move it. So, isa-scan lang lahat ng passports. Okay. 20 kilos. Ayan.
Oh.
Thank you. Okay, and then luggage tab.
Which one is for me?
There.
This one.
Okay, hold it all first. We have to pay the travel tax. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
I hope this doesn't break.
You hold it.
That's why you hold it.
Okay, don't break it, okay? You don't lose it. Alright, so alam niyo na to mga mare. Dito tayo pupunta para sa travel tax. Bakit tayo pupunta sa travel tax counter? Kasi if you pay it online, may charge silang 50 pesos per person. Buti nga nagmura na, dati 100 per person yan eh. So, para makatipid ako ng 150 pesos, magbayad na lang tayo ng travel tax sa counter. Ayan, so nakapagbayad na ako ng travel tax. For travel tax, it's 1,620 for an adult. Tapos sa bata, 810 kung economy, basta hindi first class. And then, ang kagandahan dyan, they accepted debit card. Chill dito sa Clark Airport, no? Remember, dati sabi ko nakakahiya yung luggage ko kasi ang dumi na, luma na. So, bumili ako nitong luggage cover. It's only 250 I think in Shopee. Pero dahil ang laki ng luggage ko, bitin sa ilalim. Okay lang.
It's a panda. Look, it's a panda. See, look.
Oh yeah, it is. Makikita niyo yung different personalities ng mga anak ko. Itong buong letter C na to, it's for Cebu Pacific. Yun yung pang PWD, pregnant, seniors, online check-in, bag drop, international bag drop, domestic, last call, cashier. But may cashier kapag mag-a-add kayo ng more luggage. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Why are you sad? So, alright, na kami, check-in na kami, naiwan na namin yung luggage namin. Tapos, ang bait nung girl, she allowed us to change seats. Pwede naman kasi yun, pwede ka mag-request ng seats. Kasi nung nag-auto-assign si Cebu Pacific, when we checked in online, hindi kami magkakatabi. So, Sabi ko, pwede ba magkakadabi kaming tatlo? Tapos nilagay pa kami sa row 4 sa harap. O, diba? Bongga. So, anyway, this is the, security. May x-ray dyan pagpasok. Tapos, after nyan, immigration na. So, mag-i-immigration na kami kasi 4:15 na. Tsaka wala naman ng ibang pwedeng puntahan dito ngayon at this time. Wait lang. I think may 7-Eleven dito eh. May 7-Eleven po ba doon? Bukas po. Okay, thank you. Bibili mo na kami pagkain sa 7-Eleven. Ay, wait lang. Pwede ba magpasok ng pagkain galing 7-Eleven dyan? Or hindi? Hindi? Ayan, it is currently 4:26 a.m. And ang boarding pala namin 5:30 a.m. So, ang bilis lang. Apa? Papasok ulit? Kakain muna kami. Thank you. Bait naman, ino-offer lang pala nila kahit kanino yon. Kala ko sa mga VIP lang.
Hello. Oh, mommy, look, it's Hershey. I like chocolate.
So, anyway, medyo gutom ako. May 1 oras pa kami. Kumain naman kami sa bahay, pero syempre gutom ulit. Charot. Ano bang tinanong sa amin ng immigration? Actually, tinignan lang niya na kasama ko yung 2 kids. Tapos, tinanong niya, mga anak mo, ma'am? Sabi ko, opo. Tapos, tinataka niya kaagad yung unang passport.
It was a lot different from the last time.
Oh, yeah. Ay, may lakos na pala rito, oh. Nice. Uy, kala mo naman may pambili. Kung baka nice. Gate 13 pa eh. So, dun lang yung diretso. Kain muna! Avi, can you spin her? You have to lie down properly.
I'm going to Narita.
Hindi. Hong Kong.
Mommy, help me.
No, you will just spin. Hold on, hold on, hold on. It doesn't move.
She calls it a doggy.
It is a doggy. Dito tayo sa Tom and Tom's. Do they have food? They have sandwiches. Yung sandwich nila, $4.45 each. If may drink, $7.95. Yung pasta, $4.95 each.
Can I have a drink?
Yeah, I will order drinks. Can you guys sit there? Okay, what do you guys want?
Ours. Huh?
What do you guys want?
Slush.
Slush?
Slush it. Slush. 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 Can we eat at the airplane?
Yeah, we have, nagbaon kami ng snacks.
So we're going to do this.
Tinan nyo, tumataas na yung ko. Yung, anong tawag dito? Forehead ko. Ano ba yun? Napapanat na ba ako pag ganun? Before I turn 40, umaakit na yung hairline ko. Hairline tawag dun, di ba, Amy? Tinin natin ng konti para hindi masyado obvious. Char.
Okay.
So, okay, sa Hong Kong, we are going to stay there for 7 days, 6 nights. Grabe, no? Alam nyo bakit?
Grabe.
Kasi, naghahabol ako ng stats para ma-monetize ko yung YouTube ko. Alam ko maraming gusto mag-Hong Kong eh. That's why I decided to take the kids to Hong Kong.
Why did you decide?
Mahaba pa yung kwento. Si Brie talaga gusto niyang mag-Hong Kong sa 8th birthday niya, which is at the 4th quarter of this year. Kapag 4th quarter of this year na kami pumunta, mahuhuli na yung lahat kasi yung monetization targets magre-reset ng September. Kaya para hindi mawala yung mga napag-ipunan kong mga na-hit kong targets sa YouTube monetization, sabi ko, tara pumunta na tayo ng Hong Kong ngayon. Okay? So that's one reason. Another reason is medyo may mom guilt ako over going to Japan by myself na ang mahal-mahal. Tatawa si Avio. Diba? Ang mahal nga nung Japan ko. Tapos parang nisip ko, it's just for me. And I'm not used to that. When I spend money, it's always together with my kids or with my family. Basta may ibang nakikinabang, Hindi lang ako. So, hindi ako sanay na ganun. Uy, Bray, that's our receipt. Why are you breaking that?
It's because I'm doing origami.
Diyos ko, pinunit na yung resibo namin. So, kaya sabi ko, mag-Hong Kong na tayo para baka sakali naman with the Hong Kong series ay marami sa inyo mag-subscribe na, uy mga mari, mag-subscribe kayo, maawa naman kayo sa akin. Char! Nakikiusap ako, I'm begging you. Charot, hindi, char. Okay. So, ayun, kaya mag-Hong Kong kami ng kids for 2 main reasons. Para mawala yung mom guilt ko at para may content ako to do monetization.
Mommy,
Ay, thank you. Ang aga-aga nila nag-slush, oh. Hyper na sila mamaya. Ay, this is yours.
What? Oh.
Ito yung sandwich nila. 460 pesos. Pero in a way, matipid na rin. Kasi kapag bumili kami ng food sa Cebu Pacific, sa physics, diba yan? Sa Pacific, it's 200 or 250 each, diba? So, okay na to. Tapos sa Hong Kong na lang kami kakain. Overall, 960 pesos to. No, umpisa pa lang gastos na agad, no? Pero, okay lang yan. It's a treat for the kids. Hindi naman kami nagbabakasyon ng bongga eh. So, ito na, bonggang-bongga na to for this year. Until 5 years later. Char. It's masarap. Lakas namin kumain, no? Maganda talaga dito sa Clark Airport, yung mga restaurants nila, may mga saksakan na, 'di ba, doon sa kabila, kung saan ako kumakain ng bulgogi, may saksakan. Tapos dito sa Tom and Tom's, meron din. Tapos naalala niyo yung sa Susie's, meron din. Sa Coffee Bean, meron din. As usual, I have my handy travel backpack. Okay, by the way, hindi ko yata nasabi dati, but I got this at Decathlon. This is really, really strong. Maabot ng 10 to 12 kilos kaya niya. Pero syempre, 7 kilos lang nilalagay ko dyan. You had fun?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go na. Put your bag on. Did you just burp?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
No, not Tete.
Shh, no shouting.
Not Tete, it was me. Oh my god, it's so wet.
One last, ha?
Tete.
Papatulak pa.
Tete.
Maipit ka, baby. You have to sit properly. Oh my God, tingnan mo si Bri. Grabe, lang beses na ako nagbalik-balik dito. Ngayon ko lang napansin, meron palang saksakan sa gilid, oh. Galing, no? So, it's around 5:30 a.m. na. Dun pa tayo hanggang number 13. Ayan, water refilling station. Dahil kuripot kami, mahal lang tubig sa Hong Kong, may dala kami mga empty bottles. Paano ba
You know what? I
gamitin
like
to?
cold. Mommy, can I have cold?
Yeah, you have your own bottle, right? Use your bottle, babe.
Okay.
Ayan. All the kinds of outlet. Thank you. Wait for your card, babe. Say thank you.
Thank you. Mom, you're cold.
Let's wait for Tete. Wait for your turn, ah. Row 4 tayo. Say hi.
Do you know where to sit? Just have to look for this. Oh, you're friends with Timmy?
Yeah.
Yes, for ABC.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
Right. So
That's where from on my right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Say thank you.
Count number 4 until number 4.
Ayun no, we are so lucky kasi nasa row 4 kami nilagay and we didn't have to pay premium. Wala pang tao sa harap namin. Nasa window seat pa si Brie. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Nakilala pa siya nung isang meron kasi akong kumaring purser ng Cebu Pacific. So, binilin niya kami sa mga kakilala niya dito.
And push and to buckle.
It's moving.
Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manually.
Guys, we're moving. I think we're going to go up. Oh my goodness, look. It's the plane. It's gonna move. Do you hear that? I'm going. I'm going so fast. We're going so fast.
Ayan, para walang turbulence, we went above the clouds. Look at this sea of clouds. Shout out sa kumare ko. Salamat. Crew meal pa pala to, binigyan ng brownies yung kids. And we have a big bottle of water.
However, if you transfer your seating into cabin,
Thank you, Tita Timmy. Did Tita Timmy make it?
No. Ayan, si AV filling out the immigration arrival card. Patulog na si AV.
Sam, I think we're going to land. We're turning around.
How was your first plane ride experience?
Good. Hi,
For your
Sam, we
safety and
landed.
comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings.
Should I go to the exit?
Yes.
Chinese?
Yes.
Why is there Chinese words? Hi, Sam. We have to be quiet.
Natanggal yung butones ng pantalon niya. Immigration diretso. Ay, bawal ka. Katatapos lang namin ng immigration. Yan, dun siya. Bawal mag-camera dun. Anyway, pag may kids, mabilis lang naman. Pwede ba mag-camera dito? Baka hindi. Number 9 tayo. Papatayin ko muna yung camera ko. Mahirap na. So, ayan na. Nandito na kami sa carousel number 9. And tama naman nakalagay dun. Kaka-start pa lang. And mga mare, yung yellow line na yan, do not cross, sabi. Ayan, kalalabas lang namin ng baggage area at saka customs. Nothing to declare naman kami, so lulusot lang. Ngayon, ayan, may mga airport brochure. There's a telephone, may currency exchange. first agenda is to withdraw some money. Dito tayo sa A lumabas. Bakit sa A? Hindi ko rin alam. Pinili ko lang. Merong arrivals hall A and B, pero mukhang magkatuhog naman sila eh. Teka, tuturo ko sa inyo ah. This one is train tickets. This one is for the MTR. So we know where to get those. Ngayon, where do we withdraw? Saan ang mga ATM machine? Ayan. That's where you buy train tickets to the city. I think that's also where you can buy an octopus card. So pupunta tayo dyan mamaya. Ngayon, where's the ATM machine? Ayun o. Sabi doon, bank, pag ganun. Arrivals hall B, pag punta doon. To city, pag ganun. Tour, hotel coach, pag ganun. Ay, where's the bank? Ayun, Bank of China. Doon tayo mag-withdraw. Ito o, Bank of China, check deposit, cash withdrawal. So mag-withdraw tayo. So, ito na. Nakapag-withdraw na ako. Maximum amount is 2,500. HKD lang eh. So, tatabi na muna ako. Titingnan ko if that's enough. Kasi parang, since 7 days kami dito, gusto ko pocket money namin 30,000 pesos. But that doesn't exactly mean na yung 30,000, gagasusin namin lahat. I just wanted to make sure I have enough cash. Base dito sa GoTime app ko, yung 2,500 Hong Kong dollars is 18,504.93. Wala naman nakalagay na fee. So, ika-calculate ko na lang kung magkano yung kinalabasan na exchange rate. Tapos, ilalagay ko na lang sa video. Ayan, so nag-withdraw ulit ako kasi 7 days kami rito. And yung isang night namin, which is yung tonight, hindi pa bayad yun. Nagpa-reserve lang ako. Hindi pa nila ako china-charge. I have to pay in cash at the hotel. So, ang total cash natin na hawak is 4,500 Hong Kong dollars. So, ngayon, punta tayo ng 7-Eleven. I wanna see if there's SIM card there. Hindi ako bumili ng SIM card sa Klook. Kasi ang mahal, yung yung SIM card sa Klook parang 700 pesos. Samantalang, ang SIM card sa 7-Eleven may 33 Hong Kong dollars. I just don't know if they sell it here at the airport. Kids, wait here I'll check. Okay, you can get the SIM card dun sa cashier mismo. Pero nakita ko dito, 7 GB. $78 and $158. Masyado mahal. Sa city tayo bumili. Tingnan nyo tubig rito, 18.5 Hong Kong dollars. So, magkano yan? You can order and pay here. Tapos, ito yung mga sandwiches. Itong mga sandwiches, 12 Hong Kong dollars. Sige, tara. Mahal yung SIM card
How much?
It's okay. Okay, tatanungin niyo ako, bakit hindi ako bumili ng octopus card sa Klook? Pipick upin na lang yun. The answer is, kasi si Brie, she is still a child. So, kung kumuha ako ng child octopus card, meron siyang discount sa mga fare. In fact, kalahati nga yata. Tapos napansin ko yung doon sa Klook, you will pay 700 pesos. Tapos yung credit niya, 50 Hong Kong dollars lang. Merong $50 na voucher sa duty free. Eh, hindi naman kami nagsha-shopping, so hindi ko din magagamit yon, diba? So parang you're only getting less than 400 pesos but you paid 700. At least dito, you will pay 150 each for an adult octopus card. Tapos may deposit na 50 yon. Pero kapag di mo naubos yung laman nun, kunyari after the end of your stay, may 100 pa na natitira, you can refund the remaining value. Ibabalik mo lang yung octopus card mo. Mag-charge lang sila sa'yo ng $11. O diba? So mas matipid, you get the actual value. Tapos kapag may anak ka or may senior, PWD, ay senior lang yata. They have a different octopus card kasi they have discounts. Ayan, nakalagay, please wait here. Teka, anong oras na ba? It's almost 9 a.m. And look, oh, the entire airport is empty. Chill naman. Ayan, adult, elder, child. O, diba? Tapos yung 50 deposit.
Sorry, wait a moment. For adults, 200, and for kids, 150. So, 50 back. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So, ito siya, oh. This is for kids, this is for adults. So, yung sa adults, ginawa kong 200 each. Okay, nakalagay dito, deposit value is 50, add value 150, remaining value 150. So, 200 lahat. Okay, so it means I could use 150, yung 50 deposit yun. Kung magkano man matira, even if lagpas ng 50 yun, I can refund it. Mayroon lang silang processing fee na $11, which is okay lang yun. Tapos, kay Brie naman, ginawa kong 150 para she has $100. O, diba? Discounted. Alright, so ang ginawa ko, bumili ako ng cute na ID holder for the kids para isi-scan na lang niya. Hindi mawawala, diba? Yung kay AV extendable. Actually, may ganito rin ako, pero syempre, ang talino ko, iniwan ko yung sa akin, diba? So, wala. No choice ako. Mano-mano ako lagi. I need to make sure na hawak-hawak ko to. Yung kay AV ang cute, oh. Siyempre kamukha nung pusa namin.
Look at mine.
Cute, diba? And I think these are only 100 each, eh. Yeah. Okay, so the next mission is to go to the city. Pero actually, hindi kami pupunta sa city. Swerte kami na yung binook kong hotel na malapit sa city gate has its own shuttle bus. So, hahanapin lang namin yung shuttle bus. Tapos, libre na yung sakay namin, 'di ba? I think there's a shuttle every 30 minutes. So, ngayon, the mission is to know whether saan dito. Pag ganyan ba? Pag ganun? Baka pag ganun. Okay, sabi rito, please proceed directly to the Car Park 1, Bay 11 to 14 at Terminal 1. I'm actually not sure what terminal we are in. Pero okay, Car Park 1. Ayun, Car Park 1 going there. So, dun kami pupunta. Diretso lang. Okay, I'm not very scared not to have data right now dahil lang Hong Kong Airport, mabilis ang wifi nila. Number 1. Number 2, kahit may shuttle ka or wala, kung mag-airport express train ka naman, pagbaba mo ng airport express train, may 7-Eleven ka nang mahanap within the vicinity. Doon ka na kumuha ng SIM card. $33 lang yon sa pagkakaalam ko, ha. Tapos 30 days na siya, unlimited. Di ba mas mura kaysa yung mga binibenta rito sa airport? And then, kami naman, since mahal nga yung SIM card dito, what we'll do is we'll take the shuttle. Pagdating sa shuttle, we will probably try to check in. Pero sobrang aga. It's only 9 a.m., no? But we'll see. If we cannot check in, then we will just leave the anong tawag doon? The luggage muna. Tapos siya kami maglilibot-libot. By the way, if you're going to the city, yan. Ang laki nakalagay to city. Train, bus, taxi, pati yung mga tour, hotel, coach nandyan. Pero sabi kasi dun sa hotel namin, car park 1. And so that's where we will go. Sobrang excited ako sa hotel na to. May pagka mahal siya, but it makes sense for us dahil after today, bukas sa Disneyland na kami matutulog. So, ayoko nang pumunta ng Kowloon or Hong Kong Island mismo. Dito na lang kami sa Lantau Island where the airport is. And where Disneyland is, diba? Panini. 38 yung croissant na may egg. Mahal, no? Dito tayo. Ayan, ang car park 1. Limousine lounge. Nux Limousine Lounge. Ang ginit. So humid. Pero at least hindi umuulan. Car park 1. Dire-diretso pa daw. Ayan, pwedeng bumaba. Dito na lang. Ay! 5th floor pala to. Number 3 yung car park and limousine lounge. Ay, dito. Okay.
Why is it like that?
Alright, now we need to figure out where it is. Ito, no, kung di nyo nakikita doon, bundok-bundok, pero it's so cloudy. Ayan, so punta tayo sa Bay 11 to 14. Pero wala pa, so antayin namin. Ang init. Ayan, nilagay na niya. Sakay na kami. Go. So we waited around 10 minutes. Malamig naman eh. Ayun yung luggage ko. Dito na lang ako sa harap. Ayun yung sinasabi kong city buses. Mas mura mag city bus actually kapag may mga hotel kayo, i-check nyo, mas maganda bang mag-MTR or mag-city bus? Kasi usually, kapag nag-MTR, may transfers pa. Minsan, kapag magbabas ka, bababa na siya malapit sa hotel mo or mismong sa tapat ng hotel mo. Ayan, no, yung iba nagbabas lang sila. Ayan yung kids.
This is Tata. Mommy's recording.
Kung tama yung research ko, this hotel is right at Citygate Outlets. As in, meron siyang sariling entrance sa Citygate Outlets. Which is, iikutin na namin yung Citygate. And alam naman ng lahat na yung Longping cable car, yung Big Buddha, dun lang rin yun sa Citygate, diba? So, I can hit 2 birds with 1 stone. Time check, it is now 9:33 a.m. And siguro mga 2 minutes na kami nandito sa shuttle bus. 2 to 3 minutes. So tingnan natin kung anong oras tayo abot sa hotel. Ayan yung mga old school na taxi ng Hong Kong. Alam mo yung mga sasakyan na yan, parang mga 80s or 90s pa yan eh. Ayan yung cable car, oh. Ayan na, we're here. Thank you. Silvery. Okay. Hi. Oh, that's the entrance. Wow. This one. Do you need their passports?
Just check your room first.
Okay. You guys want to sit here?
Yep.
Thank you.
Okay, the ninth floor should be-
Ninth floor. Okay.
Place. What is this?
Ninth
Can
floor.
we swim here?
Third floor concierge. Huh?
Can we swim here? Look.
No, that's not a...
Wow, I can go up and I can see where we're going.
Okay. Ooh, so fancy. Hi. You guys wanna sit down first?
No, I want to eat my snacks.
No, you sit first. I need to check in.
Can I please eat my snacks?
Hi, welcome. Bree, don't touch anything, ha? Labot ka. Yes po. Ay, yes po. Ay. Nagulat ako. Say hi. Do I need, you need my passport?
Yes, the passport is on that. Thank you.
Just mine or pati sa kanya?
Actually, all po.
All, okay. Kala ko check-in yung sa baba. Hindi pala. Okay.
Ayan. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Let me show you the way to the elevators.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Yun, isa lang.
Okay. Would you like me to have...
And it's already 6:05.